20 episodes will be the final season of Teen Wolf.
This is where the chapter ends. A new one now begins. Time has come for letting go. The hardest part is when you know all of these years.
And enjoy.
But I'll always remember we have had the time of our lives. And now the page is turned, the stories we will write. We have had the
I'm feeling really sad because I love Allison so much.
I was absolutely shocked. You know, I felt like an audience member, a fan watching the show because I had no idea that that was going to happen.
from the
And my heart sank into my stomach. It was just that sinking feeling.
has to end. I'm glad you have been my friend in the time of our
One of our favorite things to do, even from the very beginning, we would always all go bowling. So it was always fun. It would be, you know, Posey and I and Dylan and Crystal and Holland, and we had so much fun. It really was from day one kind of like a family.
like the tide that ebbs and flows. Memories will come and go. All of
The cast of Teen Wolf.
years when we were here are ending, but I'll always remember we have had the time of our lives. And now the page
I grew up with this just gang of boys basically my entire 20s.
we have had the time of our lives, and I will not forget the faces left behind.
I'm so sorry.
Walk away from the
It's hard to say goodbye to people, or hard to say something like this to people you love working with.
it has to end. I'm glad you have been my friend in the time of our lives. We say goodbye, we hold on tight to these memories that never die. We say goodbye, we hold on tight to these memories that never die. We have had the time of our lives, and now the page is turned. The stories we
This is it. This is the regime that we've built. Everybody that we've put in these seats, it's coming to an end.
And I will not forget the
All I've
faces
ever wanted to do is
that
inspire people positively and inspire the world and make a difference in people's lives.
from the best of days, but if it has to end,
It's been the best professional experience of my life.
in the time of our lives. I'm glad you have been my friend in the
Teen
time
Wolf will live on forever.